It's a beautiful day in the nature. We even have our snacks. Ooh, and we have baby Lily. Let's go look at our colors. Ooh, this one's green. This one's green too. And then a giraffe and other green ones. And look at this magical forest. It's really beautiful. It has red flowers and yellow flowers and red ones too. And then there's green, and then there's God, and then there's mercy. And then there's a beautiful car over here. Let's go learn our flower colors. Let's go over here, walk on the magical step. Magical steps help you when you're learning to walk. Ooh, and then there's a dog. He has a red tie, red tongue, and green eyes. And these are green couches. And that's the end of looking for your nature colors.